BBC Breakfast presenter Louise Minchin, 52, has said sorry to her podcast co-host Annie Emerson and their guest, jockey Holly Doyle, 24, for interrupting their interview with an unfortunately timed coughing fit. The journalist sparked concern when she struggled to stop coughing on air while Annie quizzed Holly on her experiences competing in flat racing. After Holly informed the podcast hosts that her racing schedule is usually pretty full-on, including 8 or 9 races a day with just half-an-hour intervals, Annie asked her, "When do you eat, drink, think?" The champion jockey replied, "If you've got that many rides you can't really stop and have anything to eat, you just snack on protein bars and stuff. But the race day, once you're there, is between 3 or 4 hours of riding flat out." Annie then continued with her line of questioning before noticing that Louise had suddenly gone silent. "We will use your email address only for sending you newsletters. Please see our privacy notice for details of your data protection rights," the athlete said. "Holly, you said you're very relaxed. So I guess you generally don't get too nervous. But what's it like when you go into a meet like Ascot and you know you're on their chance of?" Annie's voice could be heart trailing off as she voiced her concern for Louise, who was coughing in the background of their conversation. Addressing the situation, Annie told Holly and Her Spirit podcast listeners, Louise is just having a coughing fit. Therese normally dogs or children or husbands coming in her room. But today she's having a coughing fit. Are you alright, Lou?" Annie exclaimed. After recovering from her coughing fit, Louise apologized to Holly and Annie for interrupting them. The BBC favourite said, "I'm so sorry to interrupt. I'm drinking water. I promise this is water, and it's out of an old tin bottle." Louise went on to explain she choked on her beverage as she was worrying whether Holly and Annie would have thought she was slurping gin because of the sound her tin bottle was making on air. She admitted, "And I was like, are they going to think I'm slurping gin from the bottle? I'm not, Holly, I promise it's water, and then I choked myself." Reaffirming her point, Louise added while giggling about her blunder, "Apologies, Holly, carry on, it's not gin, I promise." "That's alright," Holly replied, reassuring the presenter. It comes after Louise underwent surgery on her ankle after failing to get a running injury looked at by a medical professional quickly enough. The television host branded herself an idiot for not getting it checked out sooner and taking part in a triathlon. Back in December, she returned to the BBC Breakfast studio and spoke about her injury online, revealing that she had broken a bone in her foot and had also snapped an ankle ligament.